Welcome to Wall Street Ox channel. Let's go over all the awesome features, what you get here, how I went from a 10K to 100K portfolio, then to a million, and then took that $1 million to another 5 million, and how I'm restarting that whole process with you guys together. Again, I built a bunch of tools, software. I utilized just my own intelligence and looked through the markets, and we can do it together again. So let's go through some of the software you'll be utilizing here when you join us. First piece of software is going to be OxRank analysis tool, and there's lots of features continuing to be updated in this tool. So you're going to be able to track your real estate, autos, the stock market, and the crypto market all in one place. Again, all you have to do is just go to oxrank.com and sign up. Also, once a month, we give out free memberships to people that are just active on the platform. And then we give them lifetime memberships as well. So lots of cool features in here. Again, you can kind of take a look with the real estate tracker that's in the pro versions with the real-time crypto, stock, and automotive analysis tracking. You can see a video on how to utilize it, but it's very, very self-explanatory. I'll show it to you right now with the pro plans, ultimate plan. But right now, you could actually get the plan, the $200 plan, which doesn't even exist yet, for $9. That's it. And some change, and you'll be grandfathered into that price for life with all the updates. So it's pretty cool. So if you hit the login button, this is if you have actually already registered. Hit that. If you're brand new, just hit the register button. So switching over once you are logged into the app. So kind of let me show you here. Login should log you into the application. Now you're in there. These top four are usually going to be the very best picks in the stock market. So we use LLMs, language learning models. We utilize our own APIs, our own system. We scan over 100 years worth of market data, and we figure out what the best investments are based on that data. Again, these are suggestions using AI and our software that I built myself. So again, you should, not take this for something that, you stand by for the rest of your life, but it should be a tool on your tool belt that you utilize. Again, you can take a look at all the portfolios here. So let me go through a couple of the features here. Crypto Fear and Greed Index. It will tell you what the markets are feeling right now. So the markets are basically in fear, very close to extreme fear. The Stock Fear and Greed Index over here is neutral. The markets aren't really sure to buy, hold, or what to do because there is massive profit taking, for example, right now. The Buffett indicator tells you that the best range to buy is usually between 90 to 120. So if the stock market is at 224 almost, it's telling you that we're extremely overvalued. The Ox meter really simplifies it for brand new investors. So right now we're in the buy range for crypto. We're really not in the buy range for the stock market. Usually when you see the Fear and Greed Index at extreme fear for the stock market, then you get those discounted prices and great deals, and the Ox meter will signal that we are now undervalued and you really should be buying. And that will be in this purple range over here where it says Ox buy. Top news is over here on the right. And again, over here, you'll see the floating chart of all of the top best buys. Again, this scans 30 to 50 of stocks and cryptos. So it scans over 5,500 different stocks and over 15,000 cryptos and picks 30 to 50 best investments up here. Again, if you go to portfolios, this is where you will add your own portfolios in here, and you'll be able to edit them, you'll be able to delete them, you'll be able to add additional portfolios. So if you go into that portfolio, you'll also be able to integrate this with our other software as well. So you'll be able to add on to those stocks, you'll be able to add on to those cryptos. And again, if it's integrated with our other ecosystem, you'll be able to directly sell from your wallets as well. So very, very cool. Again, you can create your watch lists over here. These are very, very important. And again, you should have a buy now list, maybe a crypto watch list, overvalued. You don't want to buy right now, but you want to keep an eye on it when it does become basically in the buy range. So earnings calendar is also very, very important. To understand there's 11 stock market sectors. Crypto may become the 12th, and you have to understand what's happening in the markets before you buy any investment, whether it's a car, house, crypto, stocks, whatever you are buying. You need to understand, and you need to pay attention to the earnings calendar over here. Again, you can click on any of these companies, let's say Adobe over here, and it will give you the entire 5-year breakdown of all the earnings. So very, very important, very awesome tool. Again, you can hit the tutorial or check out the daily news. OxPicks will give you the buys and sells that I do. So you will see I bought Solana. You will see when I sold, I sold Solana over here at 193. Then I started rebuying it back at 139 and 136. So I didn't catch the bottom exactly, but you can kind of see I sold Ethereum at almost 4,000, and I'm going to be probably rebuying it back now. Then I sold a little bit more at 3,800. You can see that, I sold some Solana over here at 185. I sold some Ethereum at 3,700. So again, I was selling because I thought the market was going to go down. So you can see my moves that I am making over here. And again, up here, you can follow the 10K to 100K portfolio by just clicking more info, or the 50K, 100K, or the 1 million. So again, that's up to you to which portfolio you want to follow. Again, it's incredible. We actually had members that joined the 10K to 100K portfolio, took the 100K to a million, and then we took that million to 5 million, all between 2019 and 2020 to 2024, which again, you can't make $5 million overnight, but you absolutely can make it in about 5 or 6 years, which is still incredible and life-changing. So this is an awesome software. Again, over here, we have our other products. You'll also be able to see the housing and automotive ones added on very shortly. But Coinage Launcher will allow you to create your own cryptocurrency and sell and market that crypto, or even NFTs. Coinage Fort is right here. Again, OxFriend is our community chat application. So if you click on OxFriend right here, it will take you to our community chat. And again, you can follow then the Wall Street Ox channel on there, the Coinage Fort channel, and you can follow other creators as well that we have. And again, you can create your own business on here for free, absolutely free. Whether you're selling cars, whether you're selling pictures, books, any program, any software, anything you want, you can actually sell. You can create a business. You can create community chat rooms. So very cool, and it's absolutely free. So again, if I switch to creator mode over here, you can see my own business over here, which is my Wall Street Ox. And then, under tiers, you'll be able to select the tier that you want, the 10K to 100K challenge, and join me. You can join our chat rooms over here. So here's my Wall Street Ox chat room. And, you'll be able to chat with basically everybody in here. And under content, you'll be able to see my posts. So I just posted today, again, why market sold off. So you can see in here, I wrote that the market sold off December 12th, primarily due to significant drop in tech and AI stocks. We do believe that the markets are in an AI bubble. We will also at the bottom be able to join our polls. You can see, do you think we will have a Santa Claus rally? And almost everybody said yes. So lots of awesome features. Really, we're using all the data in the market. We've put in over $1 million into the software, all of our programs, and we have now transformed that into something that an average user can use to really reach that independence, that financial freedom. So really cool system. Again, you can utilize OxFriend and OxRank and all of our tools. It's together. It's an awesome channel that really offers you all the tools you need to succeed in life and in investing. Again, if you want to join us, at least, follow the channel. The videos are for free, and you can utilize any of the software to really help you out grow your portfolio and reach that financial freedom as soon as possible. Take care. And again, if you are, interested, you can go to oxfriend.com. You can go to OxRank. Again, I'll switch back over here, but just go to oxrank.com and join our analysis tool. We'll also have opportunities for people that, need positions and jobs, and lots of awesome stuff coming on this channel. Again, make sure you're joined up, subscribed, making sure you have all the notifications set. And then again, don't forget, we are also on Twitter at Treasury Ox. If you want to follow me on Twitter, you can, and get lots of other updates on markets, on all sectors. And again, over here, obviously, you'll see the picture for the two different businesses, which is OxRank Analysis Tool and OxFriend. Again, thank you for watching, and hopefully you become part of the family. Take care.